Hello friends, welcome to Pranal classes. Today we will discuss about L values and R values. What are L values? We call left side values. Left side values come on the expressions come on the left hand side of the assignment. Like I have written a equal to 10. Okay, this is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. So on my left hand side I am writing a. Okay, so this is left value. L values. L values may be L values are the objects to which we assign a value. See, 10 is a value. Okay, here can be expression like b multiplies c. Okay, so b multiplies c is expression, so we can assign value or expression to left hand side only. Okay, this is the way the language understand the programming. And what are the R values? R values are the expressions that always come on the right hand side. This is my right hand side portion. Okay, what are R values? What can be? R values can be literals. See, 10 can be a literal. Okay, any expression. I told you b multiply c. This can be expression. So on the right hand side, we can take literals, we can take expressions which we assign to the L values. Okay, hope this is clear. I have given example a equal to 20 is an object here and 20 is a literal. Same here, b and 10. Now, what we can't do in our programming, write, we can't assign literal on the left side and can't give the object on the left hand side. It will give you an error. See, I'm executing it. This will give you an error 20. Okay, sorry, 2 equal to a. See, the error will be can't assign to the literal here. Okay, so this cannot be possible. You always write in this way. Okay, like I'm doing a multiply by 2. First of all I'm giving equal to 2. Okay, equal to 3. Can I do this sorry, multiply 2 and 3 9. I didn't assign this a equal to 3 b. Yes. देखिए, see, I'm I'm doing a multiply by 3 and I am assigning this result to b. So this is not possible. If I'm not giving this result to not any object, it will not give you an any error. But if I am giving this output to the left side, it will give you an error. So we can't do this. Okay, I hope this makes clear to you. We can do by it only the assignment operator, like a multiply by equal to 3. See, it will give you the result. This multiplication and equal to is an assignment operator, so it is giving the output. Hope this makes clear to you. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.